facing south. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and join me here on top of the mountains. Join me in contact with Mother Nature. Join me in the emotions flowing all over our body when we acknowledge our existence, our precious moment on this earth, as we acknowledge ourselves as part of it, as part of her. We are inside her dream. We are dreaming her dream. We are participating, co-creating with her. It's a privilege and a blessing. To be material, to be spiritual, having a material experience for this moment that we call life. Here we are in this beautiful paradise, in this structured material dream, with so many living things like us, sharing the material moment that we call life on earth. Trees, birds, fish, stones, hurricanes, mountains, lakes, flowers. We were born on this earth. She gave us birth. She embraced the golden light from the sun, the white light from the sun, into her womb. She mixed it with herself, with her dream, to produce all these beautiful forms of life, to produce all this beautiful form of our species. The species we call men, a human species with a capability to be so much more, to understand the spiritual in the animal, to understand the great mystery and the great power in each one, to discover ourselves on this earth. The great power as an earthquake, as a volcano, the great power to construct, to destroy, to help other living beings to improve their lives, or to kill them. We have this power to become guardians of life, or to become destroyers of it. It's the same power, the power in our mind to create a reality and to impact the material reality around us through it. This mind with so much positive things, and at the same time that can harness so much negativity. It depends on us to grow control over our mind, to shape our emotions, to recreate our bodies, our lives, and the material world around us, to change the structure of our civilization by changing the structure of each one of us, to change life on earth as it is now. So here we are, in this precious place, in this precious moment, in this beautiful beach, with an infinite number of little grains of sand, each one unique, each one a living being, each one with the capability to look himself, herself in a mirror. Us, the human species, with the same capability as other human species to see ourselves in a mirror and recognize ourselves. With your eyes closed, look yourself in the mirror of your mind, of your spirit, of your soul. See the beauty in yourself and the power to do so much good around you. By changing the way you use your mind, by changing the way you project your ideas, by shifting your belief system into something into an angel to guard over life, to leave behind all those ideas, those fake ideas about the material world. The material world is life, not money. Money is not material. Money is just an idea. There is no value, not real value on money. It just has the value that we provide with our mind. But life is precious. It's priceless. That's material. Your body is priceless. So beautiful, so unique, a body that responds to you with love, with unconditional love, a body that structures itself to please you, a body that accepts abuses, a body that accepts damage from your ideas, from our civilization, with all our pollution, all our chemicals flowing inside our bodies, all those plastics poisoning us. And we have this beautiful body that does the best it can with what we provide to keep giving us the best life experience possible with what we provide. It's a body of unconditional love. Change your mind to love it likewise, unconditionally, to admire it instead of judging it. Love your emotions and your capability. Don't run away from sadness, from suffering. Accept it and transform it. Change your mind so your sadness can reflect into the joy of being able to feel because you are alive. Let go the anger, the resentment over something that it's not here anymore. And in your present, create a new flow of emotions, a beautiful river that reflects the love that you are. Let these new emotions, these new thoughts flow into your life and let them transform your body, providing the best positive flow to re-equilibrate, to gain a new balance in your hormones, in the messages and the messengers of your body. Listen to your body. Don't ignore the pain. Don't take a pill and forget. Listen so you can heal it. Feel the flow of light. Visualize it. This flow of light coming from the ground. This flow of light coming from the sky. All around you. All inside you. White and golden light. Flowing from the inside to the outside, from the outside to the inside. Flowing into your brain to recreate it, to reshape it, to create new connections with new ideas of love, of life, of who you truly are. So you can harness all the power within you to project it, to bring back paradise, the paradise that you are, to manifest it all around you.